Welcome back to the Gospel of E. Thank you for tuning in. Starting off, please do remember to like and subscribe. Makes this a lot more fun for me. And I've been seeing some increase in viewership, which I'm very excited about. But today is the next part of our project. And the main thing that we need to do is do some patching up of the wall. Finish up. There's some done already, but I need to finish up the rest of it. And then after that, most likely get to painting. As you saw, I finished up all the patching all the holes. See here, everywhere anyway, lots of them. There is some that I'm gonna do whenever I get to this bedroom here, because this is new drywall, and I do need to put more drywall there, so I'm not gonna be able to be done with that for a little while. But I'm going to take a break, let it dry up a little bit before I go back to start making some of the bigger patches that I need to do. It all went well, quick, and it was pretty quick. I'm going to look around. There were some, what do you call it? Some nails that I guess from hammering at one side of the wall, they kind of like got loose on the other. And I'm going to maybe have to come back and touch those up a little bit. I'm seeing one right here. So anyway, there shouldn't be very many of them, but it's one of those situations that you hit one nail on the one side, two come loose on the other, then you hit those, and then two come loose on the other. And it's just, it can go on and on. So there's a point that you kind of have to say, okay, I'm done. Today's task, hopefully, is starting on my daughter's room to do some bigger things. So first of all, my plan is to take the crown molding out because I would like to put newer, but I don't know, I'm debating it. Maybe I shouldn't. So what I might end up doing is end up taping it and start to paint the wall. I'm still not 100% sure what I want to do though, so we'll see. But that's about where I'm going to start for now. So I'll debate a little bit, and then I think I'm just going to start maybe painting so we can have some things looking a little bit nicer. after a little bit and a couple of breaks for dinner and a couple other things I have to do, I'm done with the painting. So I got it all the way up to the top. Freehand at the top. It looks pretty decent. There are a couple of small mistakes here and there, but I'm going to be putting caulking. Of course, here's going to be all trimmed. That's why I didn't go to the end. I didn't need to. And then this is sample trim that I had from downstairs that I think is going to close it up and look really good. So this went much faster than I expected, and I'm excited about it. Alright, it's the next day after painting the room, and it looks, better than I actually thought it would. I like blue. Well, we have over blued our life, and so one of the things that I'm thinking about is breaking up the monotony of the blue with white, kind of highlights and trim pieces, and that's what usually makes it look better, makes the blue room look better. See, most of what you see there is an old off-white that makes it look more like basically white, and I want to change